Hi everyone. Today we're going to be doing a black bean corn salad. And again, we're going to go ahead and do it in my RV. We're still on vacation. Tonight we stopped at Pueblo KOA. And this is very easy. It is no cooking involved. So what are the ingredients that we need to make this black bean corn salad? We need 1.5 cups frozen corn, thawed and drained. 1 15-ounce can black beans, rinsed and drained. 2 jalapeños, diced and seeded. 3 green onions, diced. 1/2 cup tomatoes, diced. 1/4 cup cilantro, coarsely chopped. And fresh squeezed lime juice from 2 large limes. I don't know if these are large or not. All limes to me look small, so I got a 3rd lime just in case. And salt and pepper to taste. So let's begin, shall we? Okay, I got my can of black beans here. I'm going to go ahead and drain them. And rinse them. And dump them in the bowl. And we have our corn thawed and drained. And we'll dump that into the bowl. Alright, so I have all of the vegetables chopped up. We'll go ahead and dump in our 1/2 cup of tomatoes, our 2 jalapeños, and our 3 green onions. Our 1/4 cup of cilantro. Mine's actually more like a 1/3 because I love cilantro. And then we're going to go ahead and cut our limes in half and juice them. And these are supposed to be 2 large limes. Like I said, they look small to me. After I stir it, I'll see if I need another lime or not. And then we'll go ahead and give it a stir. And I think the 2 limes are going to go ahead and work. So all we need to do now is put it in the refrigerator and let it chill until it is time to eat. Okay, so you want to go ahead and add some salt and pepper to taste. And then give it a stir. And if you have too much excess liquid at the bottom, you can go ahead and drain that if you'd like. Okay, so my husband gets the job of being critic again, and rounding off the meal is ribeye steaks that he grilled. Okay, dear.
Target.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.